Soup is good food. It's packed with nutrients and flavors that nourish your body. Soup is warm. It provides a comforting heat that soothes your soul on a cold day. Soup is easy to make. With just a few ingredients and simple steps, you can create a delicious meal. Soup makes you happy. The aroma and taste bring joy and satisfaction to your senses. We use high-quality beef for our soup. Choose beef with a good amount of marbling for flavor. Use beef with bones, as the bones create a rich and flavorful broth. Barley is added to thicken the soup and give it a hearty texture. The combination of beef and barley makes this soup truly satisfying. Start by heating a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the beef and brown it on all sides until it develops a rich color. Once browned, pour in enough water to cover the beef or to outset. Stir in the barley, making sure it's evenly distributed. Next, add your chopped vegetables such as carrots, celery and onions. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Cook until the beef is tender and the flavors have melded together beautifully. Section 4. Nourishment in every spoonful. This soup is good for you. It has protein from the beef, which helps build and repair tissues. The vegetables give you essential vitamins like vitamin A for your eyes and vitamin C for your immune system. Barley is a healthy grain that provides fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you full longer. Section 5. A family favorite. Serve this soup with crusty bread, ideally fresh out of the oven. The warm, crusty bread complements the rich, hearty flavors of the soup perfectly. On a cold day, there's nothing more comforting than a steaming bowl of this beef and barley soup. The tender beef, wholesome barley, and flavorful vegetables make it a satisfying meal that warms you from the inside out. Everyone loves this soup because it brings the family together, creating cherished memories around the dinner table. It truly is a family favorite. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share.